The tool that you will see today with me will literally make you earn more than $3,000 a month. You will see with your own eyes proof that this method does not require a lot of effort, work, or even experience. All I need from you is to press the like button for this clip to reach 1,000 likes. And let me not waste your time, let's get started. Before I start, I will explain everything to you in a practical way, and as I told you, you will not need a lot of time and experience. Rather, artificial intelligence will help us greatly, easily, and without you paying any money. I will explain all the details to you and try not to completely waste your time. So try to focus with me on every second of the video and watch to the end to understand everything. The first thing you must know is what fields today's website works on. Bazaar, entertainment, general knowledge, lifestyle, science, and society. For example, let us choose science, and from it, we will choose technology. I will declare the name of this website now, but let me tell you first how to sign in your content and how to get paid. You will go to More and then choose Write and Get Paid. You need to read these terms and conditions, but I will tell you the summary of it. You need to write a list of 10 items in the English language. Wait, do you have problems with English? Don't worry, as I told you, artificial intelligence will solve a lot of problems. Let us continue the terms. But the content you publish must be original. Also, AI will solve this. Let us continue. You need to have a PayPal account to be able to work on this website. It's okay. After reading all of this, we will go to Send It In. Here, you will find the details you need to fill, which are the name and your email, to let them send you a message saying, "Great job, your list is accepted." After this, they will send you $100 on PayPal. Also, don't forget to read the author's guide. Now is the most important question. From where can I get the original content? As we have chosen the technology niche, all you need to do is go to YouTube. Yes, YouTube is an unlimited source of content, and I will show you how. Go to the search bar and write technology. For example, I will take this video of 15 amazing inventions that will change your life. You know that each video has a transcript, but how to get it? Go to the description of the video and scroll down till you find Show Transcript. After pressing it, all the transcripts appear here, but you will think and say, it is not original content. I will tell you how to make it original. First, go to Google Docs, and don't use desktop text or Word, just Google Docs, and you will know why. Then, take all the transcript copy to your doc here. You will find a problem with showing the timing. To delete it, go to the YouTube video again and press these 3 dots, then press toggle timestamps and take them copy again. After having the transcript, it is time to convert it original. You will need to go to Quillbot, in which you will find the paraphraser choice. This choice changes the words of your content, keeping the meaning the same. This is accepted on all websites, but you need to know that the free plan of Quillbot allows you to paraphrase only 75 words for each copy. So divide your transcription and convert it all. It will take some minutes from you. After this, you need to make sure your content English level is without any mistakes. Also, I will solve this. You need to install the Grammarly tool to your Chrome browser. Then, go to your Google Docs. Grammarly will automatically detect the mistakes and recommend solutions. Now your list is ready. However, it is preferred to include images and videos in your content. You can go to the YouTube video we got the transcription from and take screenshots using this snipping tool. The snipping tool exists on any desktop, just search for it. Now everything is ready? Go to today's website, which is listverse.com, and then go to the form of list submission as I showed you. Fill in all the details required and wait for them to send you a message on the email you inserted. Don't waste time waiting for their message and start working on the second content to earn more. This was the idea of today's video. If you like my content, please subscribe and raise this video to 1,000 likes and await a lot of great ideas to make money online. Thanks for watching. See you next video.